Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Shops Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant successfully replaces transmission shaft of bucket wheel reclaimer. Fire safety mock drill conducted at Rourkela Steel Plant. And hand sanitization and temperature screening become a norm in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And now, the news in detail. The committed employees of Shops Repair Shop Mechanical of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP have successfully replaced the transmission shaft of bucket wheel reclaimer of Ore Bedding and Blending Plant OBBP for the first time with the help of Mechanical Shop Collective. It may be noted that bucket wheel reclaimer is a critical equipment of OBBP which transfers raw materials through conveyor belts. The bucket wheel was working uninterruptedly since inception. Because of years of wear and tear, the transmission shaft of bucket wheel reclaimer had got damaged, leading to problems in operations. The transmission shaft needed to be replaced with a new one. Repair Shop Mechanical Collective took up the challenging assignment of providing bucket wheel reclaimer to the OBBP within stipulated time period. The main problem faced by the collective was the unavailability of any standard procedure for dismantling and assembling of the bucket wheel, as this was the first-time job. The issue was analyzed in detail and a micro plan of repair methodology was frozen. Thereafter, necessary arrangements were made to dismantle the transmission shaft from wheel. A new shaft and labyrinths were developed in mechanical shop and RSM in shortest possible time. Fixtures were developed in-house to keep the wheel in vertical position to do the assembly. Swing disc, bearings and other components were then assembled successfully after the old transmission shaft was replaced. With this endeavor, the shop's RSM collective has once again exhibited its technical expertise as well as its determination to help the plant face the challenging circumstances successfully. A mock drill was conducted at Steel Melting Shop 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP on 16 July 2020. The drill was carried out to assess the emergency preparedness of the plant as a part of fulfillment of the statutory requirement as per Orissa Factory Rules 1950 and Factories Act 1948. The on-site emergency command structure of SMS2 acted on the situation promptly, and the response time of various agencies like Fire Services, Energy Management Department, Plant Control and OHSC were well within the norm. The mock drill was assessed by Mr. Pinaki Chaudhary, GM SMS2 and Mr. S.C. Mohanty, GM Safety. The emergency preparedness was well appreciated. Mr. S. Nayak, GM and DSO SMS2 coordinated the event. It is also noteworthy that such mock fire and safety drills are organized by Safety Engineering Department in different units of RSP from time to time to ensure high level of preparedness for tackling any eventuality. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has been making elaborate arrangements for safeguarding its employees from the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Hand sanitization at all the entry points of the plant has also become a regular practice. Persons with sanitizers have been deployed at all gates to sanitize the hands of the people entering the plant. Wearing of mask has also been made mandatory for getting inside the plant premises. In addition to this, body temperature of every employee is being recorded on day-to-day basis by using thermal guns. Non-contact infrared forehead thermometers or temperature guns are being used across the plant to avoid cross-infections. Intense sanitization of the gates and marketplaces are also being carried out to keep a check on susceptible places of infection that witness huge footfalls. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.